Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn English. So as you can see my screen and also me, and here is the first one. SLEEPEING, sleeping. Right, Dian? EATING, eating means I am eating my food. Right, Dian?
I am going to eat now.
Yeah, that's a sentence, one of them. DRINKING, drinking.
Thinking.
Yes, means I am drinking water like this.
I want to eat.
Now we'll go to the next page, right, Jan?
Yes.
This is the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now one is sing with me. 1, 2, 3, go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I want to sing with me. Yeah, whatever. I'm sorry. Now let's read the words. Ch, op, ch, ma, op, ma. Sh up shop, c up cup, st up stop. Let's read the words. Top, mop, shop, cop, and stop. Now let's go to the next page. Ooh, it's shapes. Just look at it. It's so awesome. We're gonna learn 4 shapes right now. It's basic. First is CIRCLE, circle. SQUARE, square. TRIANGLE, triangle. DIOMAND, diamond. It's very easy. Circle, square, triangle, and diamond. Let's go to the next page. Oh, colors. Yellow, green, blue, pink, and orange. And guys, thanks for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye. And guys, I want you to press the bell icon if you want my more updates of the videos. Bye. Let's have fun one more time. Just press the bell icon so that you can see my all of the videos. Have enjoy. Bye.